আজ শুরু করছি কম্পাউন্ড অ্যাঙ্গেলস, ত্রিকোণমিতির যে বেসিক চ্যাপ্টার, এবং এই চ্যাপ্টারের ফর্মুলা দিয়ে সমস্ত ত্রিকোণমিতির অঙ্ক হবে, প্রবলেম সলভ হবে। শুরু করছি আজ। শুরুতেই বলি, যারা ক্লাস করতে পারছো না বা তোমরা টিউটোরিয়ালে যেতে পারছো না, আমার মনে হয় আমার এই ক্লাসগুলো দেখলে তোমরা অবশ্যই সমৃদ্ধ হবে। ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই বন্ধুদেরকে শেয়ার করবে। শুরু করছি। প্রথম ফর্মুলা, সাইন অফ a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and cos of a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b। বেসিক ফর্মুলা শুরু করছি। প্রুফ, let OX array rotate in anti-clockwise, angle produce angle BA, and again rotate anti-clockwise at the position Z, produce angle B. We have to prove sin of a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and cos of a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Let a point on the ray OZP. We have to draw a perpendicular on OX PQ and on OY PR. And from R, we have to draw a perpendicular on OX RS and to PQ RT. Now see, angle TRO plus TRP equals to 90 degree, and this is the parallel to that, because this is perpendicular to that, therefore that angle is A. Similarly, that angle plus this angle equals to 90 degree, and from the triangle that angle plus that angle equals to 90 degree, therefore angle TPR equals to also A. Now proof, sin of A plus B equals to, from the triangle OQP, PQ by OP, and PQ equals to PT plus TQ by OP, TQ equals to RS by OP. Now see, PT by OP plus RS by OP. Now PT, OP, RS, OP. Now we multiply numerator and denominator by PT, OP, PT and OP, PR. RS, OP, RS and OP, OR, multiplied by OR. Now see, PT by PR, PT, now see, PT by PR from the triangle, this is the base and this is hypotenuse, cos A. PR, OP, PR and OP, in respect of angle B, PR is the perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, so sin B plus RS respect to the angle B, R is perpendicular and OR is the hypotenuse, so sin A into OR by OP, OR, now see OR, OP, respect to angle B, this is the base and this hypotenuse, cos B. Now rearrange sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Similarly, we can prove cos of A plus B equals to cos OQ by hypotenuse OP. OQ we can write OS minus QS by OP. So OS QS is equals to TR by OP. Now OS by OP minus TR by OP. Now see OS by OP minus TR OP. OS OP we just multiply OR by numerator denominator, TR and OP, TR and OP multiplied by numerator denominator by PR. Now OS by OR, so OS by OR. Now see OS by OP, OS by OR, OS is the base, OR is the hypotenuse. So that is cos A. OR by OP cos B minus this is sin A into sin B. Now there's two formulas is proved and we can write similarly from two formulas sin of A minus B equals to sin A cos B minus this is plus and this is minus cos A sin B, and cos of A minus B equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, we have to prove now tan of A plus B. Very simple, understand? So very simple, tan of A plus B equals to sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. So we expand sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We just divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, cos A cos B, cos A cos B, cos A cos B, cos A cos B. Now see, cos B is vanish out, sin A by cos A, that is tan A. Cos A is vanish out, sin B by cos B, tan B. Similarly, cos A by cos A 1, cos B by cos B, that is 1, minus sin A by cos A, that is tan A into tan B. Similarly, we can prove tan of A minus B equals to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. We can prove similarly tan of A plus B plus C, that is equals to, prove similarly tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A. And our formulas are not so important, but we have to remember cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B, cot A cot B, cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A, and that is cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. But these two formulas is not so important because we solve the problem by tan of A plus B and tan of A minus B. You have to not to remember that two formulas, that is not so important. And lastly, two formulas are important. You have to remind sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B and cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So that is equals to cos square sin square A minus sin square B, and this is cos square A minus sin square B. So we have to change to cos. So you have to, if you change that, that will be cos square B minus cos square A, and that will be changed to cos square B minus sin square A. You just remember that two formulas are not important too, but you have to remember, but not so important. So that's the theory of this chapter. Now I start the problems on compound angle. আমি এখন শুরু করছি problems. Problems are collected from SN book. আমি SN বই থেকে অঙ্কগুলো নিয়েছি বা নিচ্ছি। Now, first problem, tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So I just tan pi by 4 expand to the formula 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Similarly, tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So that is equals to 1. Now next see the problem. Cos 9 plus sin 9 divided by cos 9 minus sin 9. So simple, we just divide by cos 9, cos 9, cos 9, cos 9. So that is equals to 1 plus tan 9 divided by 1 minus tan 9. So we just write, convert to 1 tan 45 plus tan 9 whole divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 9. So that tan 45 equals to 1. So 1 into tan 9, that is tan 9. So that will be written as tan 45 plus 9. So that is equals to tan 54 degree. Clear? Next, the problem sin theta plus sin phi equals to 2. This is most conceptual problem. Sin theta plus sin phi equals to 2. Then the cos of theta plus phi. You just see. This is sin theta plus sin phi equals to 2. That means sin theta equals to 1 and sin phi equals to 1. Why? Because you just see the value of sin theta, say value of sin theta equals to 0.5. Therefore, sin phi will be 1.5. That will be not possible. So here all the value of sin theta and sin phi is equals to 1. And sin theta equals to 1. So therefore cos theta equals to root over 1 minus sin square theta. So that is equals to root over 1 minus 1, that is 0. Similarly, cos phi equals to 0. So therefore cos theta plus phi, cos theta into cos phi minus sin theta sin phi, that is 0 minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Let's the problem. Tan of a plus b, tan a tan b, then a plus b. Now start by tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So that equals 3 by 4 plus 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. So that will be 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So undefined, and that is tan of 90 degree. Therefore a plus b equals to 90 degree. So easy. Understand? Now next problem. I just start the next problem, that tan of 8 alpha minus tan of 5 alpha minus tan of 3 alpha equals to tan 8 alpha into tan 5 alpha into tan 3 alpha. So just start from LHS. Just start from LHS. To RHS you have to. Now problem will be started very nicely, very nicely. We just start tan 8 alpha equals to tan of 5 alpha plus 3 alpha. 8 alpha can be written as 5 alpha plus 3 alpha. And that is tan 5 alpha plus tan 3 alpha whole divided by 1 minus tan 5 alpha into tan 3 alpha. Tan 8 alpha equals to. Now we multiply crosswise. Tan 8 alpha minus tan 8 alpha into tan 5 alpha into tan 3 alpha, and that is divided by 1. So we can write tan 5 alpha plus tan 3 alpha. Just interchange from left hand to right hand. Tan 8 alpha minus tan 5 alpha minus tan 3 alpha equals to, that will be changed to the right hand, tan 8 alpha into tan 5 alpha into tan 3 alpha. Now see the next problem. Sin alpha equals to 1 by root 5 and sin beta equals to 1 by root 10. Then you have to find out alpha plus beta. Now start the problem. Cos alpha equals to root over 1 minus sin square alpha. So root over 1 minus 1 by 5. So that is equals to 2 by root 5. And cos beta equals to root over 1 minus sin square beta. 1 minus, so that is equals to 3 by root 10. Now start the problem. Either sin a plus b or sin alpha plus beta or cos alpha plus beta. So sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin 1 by root 5 into cos beta 3 by root 10 plus cos alpha 2 by root 5 into sin beta 1 by root 10. So that is equals to 3 by 5 root 2 plus 2 by 5 root 2, that is 5 by 5 root 2, that is equals to 1 by root 2 equals to sin 45 degree. So therefore alpha plus beta equals to 45 degree. Understand? We go to the next. আমি প্রথমেই তোমাদেরকে বলবো, যদি আমার এই টিউটোরিয়াল ক্লাস ভালো লাগে তোমরা অবশ্যই তোমাদের বন্ধুদেরকে জানাবে। তোমরা যখন যদি কখনো ক্লাস করতে না পারো তাহলে আমার টিউটোরিয়াল ক্লাসটা দেখে নাও, আশা করি তোমাদের অনেক অনেক সাহায্য দেবে। শুরু করছি নেক্সট প্রবলেম। ইন্টারেস্টিং, most interesting problem. Tan of b plus c, tan of c minus a plus tan of a minus b equals to into. So very interesting problem. Let a plus b equals to, a minus b equals to x, b minus c equals to y, and c minus a equals to z. And now added that will be 0 equals to x plus y plus z. Now we start, or x plus y equals to minus z, or tan of x plus y equals to tan of minus z, or tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y equals to, we know tan equal minus bar kora deয় minus tan z. So multiply crosswise, we get tan x plus tan y equals to minus tan z plus tan x into tan y into tan z. Tan z transfer to left hand, then that will be plus. Okay, that will be plus, and that is just we put the value of x, y, z. We get tan of a minus b plus tan of b minus c plus tan of c minus a equals to tan of a minus b into tan of b minus c into tan of c minus a. So very easy. Now see the next problem. Cos of alpha plus beta equals to 1. Then we have to prove cos alpha plus cos beta equals to 0 and sin alpha plus sin beta equals to 0. So I just start solution. Cos of alpha plus beta equals to 1, or cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta equals to 1. We just multiply both sides by 2. Then we get 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. So we just write that 2 equals to 1 plus 1. So we just write the 1 and that 1 is similarly sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, that one, and that one sine square beta plus cos square beta. Just we transfer from the left hand side to that right hand side, we get sine square alpha sine square beta plus 2 sine alpha sine beta, that will be 1, and then cos square alpha cos square beta, and that will be minus 2 cos alpha cos beta, that will be 0. So that is sine alpha plus sine beta whole square, and plus cos alpha plus cos beta whole square, that will be 0. So 2 square terms 0, that means therefore sine alpha plus sine beta equals to 0, and cos alpha plus cos beta is individually 0. So easy. We go to the next problem now. Now we start the next problem. See, sine square alpha plus sine square 120 minus alpha plus sine square 120 plus alpha equals to 3 by 2. You have to prove that. We just start from that sine square alpha. So sine 120 cos alpha minus cos 120 sine alpha whole square, and plus sine 120 cos alpha plus cos 120 sine alpha whole square. Now see, we have to just rough one. Sine 120 equals to sine 180 minus 60, so that is sine 60, so that is root 3 by 2. Clear? And cos 120 is similarly cos 180 minus 60, so minus cos 60, that is minus half. We just put the value of that. So we just put sine square alpha is same, so root 3 by 2 cos alpha minus plus minus plus cos half sine alpha whole square plus, so that is root 3 by 2 cos alpha. So sorry, this is minus and this is plus half sine alpha whole square. So we just see a plus a whole square plus a minus whole square. So 2 into a square. So 3 by 4 plus b square. So 1 by 4 sine square alpha. So that will be, we just see, denominator sine square alpha plus 3 by 2 cos square alpha plus 1 by 2 sine square alpha. LCM is 2, so 2 sine square alpha 3 cos square alpha plus sine square alpha. So 2 sine square alpha plus sine square alpha, the 3 sine square alpha and 3 cos square alpha. So 3 into we can write sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by 2. So that is 3 by 2. Now that's the problem. Tan 70 degree equals to, you have to prove that. We just start from that. Tan 70 degree equals to tan 50 plus 20. We can write. So that is tan 50 plus tan 20 whole divided by 1 minus tan 50 into tan 20. Product multiplied crosswise. Tan 70 minus tan 70, tan 50, tan 20 equals to tan 50 plus tan 20. Tan 70, tan 50, tan 70 into tan 20 vanish out, broken. So minus tan 50 equals to tan 50 plus tan 20. That tan 20 will be to the right hand side. So we get 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. So very easy, right? Go to the next problem. Go to the next problem. A plus b plus c equals to pi. Then we have to, and cos a equals to that. Then we have to prove that. Now start. A tan a equals to, we can write tan of pi minus b plus c, right? Either, or we can write tan equals to sin a by cos a. Why we write that? That cos a's value is given, is there. So we have to simplify in this way. So sin a equals to pi minus b plus c. We just put pi minus b plus c by cos a. So sin pi minus theta, we know sin theta by cos a. We expand sin b plus c, sin b cos c plus cos b sin c, cos a, cos b cos c, cos b cos c. So we can write sin b cos c by cos b cos c plus cos b sin c by cos b cos c. So cos c is vanished out, that will be tan b, and cos b will vanish out, sin c by cos c, that is tan c, right? Now we have to prove 2 cot b cot c equals to 1. B, just start. Cot b cot c equals to 1. So cos a equals to cos b cos c, or cos of a equals to pi minus b plus c equals to cos b into cos c, or cos pi minus theta minus cos theta equals to cos b into cos c. is expand cos b plus c, cos b cos c minus sin b sin c, but minus will be here, so that will be minus and that will be plus, equals to cos b cos c. That cos b cos c go to that position, so we can write sin b sin c equals to 2 cos b cos c. So we just divide by sin b sin c, then we get 1 equals to 2 cos b cos c by sin b sin c. So this is equal to cot b cot c. So very simple. Now start the next problem. তবে প্রথমেই বলি, যদি আমার এই চ্যানেলটি ভালো লাগে প্লিজ তোমরা সাবস্ক্রাইব করো আর বন্ধুদেরকে বলো শেয়ার করতে, এটুকুই বলার। আর যদি কোনো প্রবলেম মনে হচ্ছে না অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে তোমরা লিখে দিও, আমি অবশ্যই আবার শর্ট করে ইউটিউবে পাঠিয়ে দেবো। নাও স্টার্ট। So if sin of a plus b equals to that, then prove that. Solution. I just start now. Sin of alpha plus beta equals to n into sin of alpha minus beta, or sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta equals to n by 1. Now see that the portion n minus 1 by n plus 1, n minus 1 by n plus 1, that means numerator minus numerator sin of alpha plus beta minus sin of alpha minus beta divided by sin of alpha plus beta, this minus of sin alpha minus beta, or we can expand that. So sin of alpha plus beta, sin alpha cos beta cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, and that will be sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos beta minus plus cos alpha sin beta. So that will be vanish out, cos alpha vanish out and sin alpha will vanish out, or we can write 2 into sin alpha cos beta divided by 2 into cos alpha sin beta equals to n minus 1 by n plus 1, or sin alpha is cos alpha, that is tan alpha cos beta by sin beta, so cot beta. We can write that. So that will be n minus 1 by n plus 1. I just a simply mistake from that will be minus, so that will be a minus, that is plus, and this is minus, this is plus, and this is plus, and that will be minus. I just mistake, please sorry for that mistake. And that will be, now see, 2 into that will be vanish out, sin alpha cos beta will be vanish out, 2 cos alpha sin beta divided by, and here that will be vanish out cos alpha, so 2 sin alpha cos beta equals to n minus 1 by n plus 1, or that will be cot alpha into tan beta equals to n minus 1 by n plus 1. So we can write cot alpha n minus 1 by n plus 1 divided by tan beta. So n minus 1 by n plus 1 into cot beta. That will be proved here. Sorry for the mistake. Next problem. Tan alpha equals to 2 tan beta. Then find out the value of that. I just start from tan alpha equals to tan beta, 2 tan beta, or tan alpha by tan beta equals to 2, or sin alpha by cos alpha, and that will be sin beta by cos beta equals to 2. That is 2 by 1. We just apply dividend component rule. We get sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta divided by sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta equals to 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, dividend component. Or we get here sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta equals to 3. That means that value will be here. So very easy. Go to the next problem. I just discussed the next problem. Theta belongs to 0 to 90 degree and cos theta plus sin theta root 2. Then find out the value of that. So solution is so easy. Cos theta plus sin theta equals to root 2, or we divide root 2 both sides. Cos theta 1 by root 2 cos theta 1 by root 2 sin theta equals to 1, or we can write 1 by root 2 equals to cos pi by 4 cos theta, and we can write 1 by root 2 sin pi by 4 sin theta equals to 1, or cos of theta minus pi by 4 equals to 1. So that is equals to cos 0. Therefore theta minus pi by 4 equals to 0, or theta equals to pi by 4. Then we can simplify. Therefore cos of 3 theta equals to cos of 3 into pi by 4, that is cos 3 pi by 4, that is cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 4. We can write that. So that is equals to minus sin pi by 4, because that will be the odd multiple of pi by 2. So cos will be converted into sin, and the second quadrant we can write cos will be negative minus sin by 4. So 1 by root 2. Understand? So very easy. We go to the next problem now. The next problem will be like that. Tan of a plus b, this is a hard problem. তোমরা সবাই আমাকে যদি কোনো প্রবলেম না হয় অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে লিখে পাঠাও। আমি অবশ্যই তোমাদের ইউটিউবের মাধ্যমে আমি করে পাঠাচ্ছি। তো আসি নেক্সট প্রবলেম সলিউশন। tan of a plus b minus tan of a minus b equals to sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b minus sin of a minus b by cos of a minus b. So LCM will be cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, and that will be sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Here we can, a plus b will be the theta and a minus b is the beta. So sine theta cos beta and cos theta sine beta. So that will be sine of a plus b minus a minus b, and that will be a formula. We just write into the formula section, and that will be cos square b minus sine square a. So a and a will vanish out, sine 2b by cos square b minus sine square a. আমি যে প্রবলেমগুলো করাচ্ছি আশা করি এই প্রবলেমগুলো করলে পরে আর তোমাদের অন্য কোনো কিছু করতে হবে না। তারপরে যদি মনে হয় যে না অন্য কিছু করতে হবে, অবশ্যই করো। আর করতে গিয়ে আটকালে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করো, আমি তোমাদের টিউটর হিসেবে সাহায্য করব অবশ্যই। Go to the next problem now. Very important problem. This is, now see, solution is too long, so you understand deeply. I will start. Cos beta minus gamma, cos gamma minus alpha, cos alpha minus beta equals to minus 3 by 2. I just expand that cos beta cos gamma plus sin beta sin gamma plus cos gamma cos alpha plus sin gamma sin alpha plus cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta equals to minus 3 by 2. Now see, 2 will be multiplied to that, and that 2 will be, that will be only minus 3. So 2 2 2 2 2 2, and minus 3 can be written as minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So that will be written as minus of sin square alpha plus sin square cos square alpha minus of sin square beta plus cos square beta minus of sin square gamma plus cos square gamma, and that will be transferred to the left side, left hand side. We can write that sin square alpha sin square beta sin square gamma plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha. And similarly we can write that plus cos square alpha cos square beta cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma 2 cos gamma cos alpha equals to 0. So that will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That means sin alpha sin beta sin gamma whole square plus cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square equals to 0. Two square terms Sum of the two square terms is 0. That means individual will be 0. Therefore, we can write cos alpha cos beta plus cos gamma equals to 0 and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equals to 0. First part will be proved here. First part will be proved. And hence prove that we can mark this is one equation number 1 and this is marked equation number 2. We get from 1 cos alpha plus cos beta equals to minus cos gamma. We can write this 3 and from sin alpha plus sin beta equals to minus sin gamma. 4. Squaring 3 and 4 and adding, we get, I just write down in this part. Let's see, this is the horror problem, so I finish out that part. We get cos alpha cos beta whole square plus sin alpha sin beta whole square equals to minus of cos gamma whole square plus minus of sin gamma whole square, or cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin square alpha sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta equals to cos square alpha cos square gamma plus sin square gamma, or cos square alpha plus sin square equal 1 and cos square beta plus sin square beta, that will be 1, and we write cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, that will be also 1, or 2, that will be cos of alpha minus beta equals to minus 1, or cos of alpha minus beta equals to minus of half. Similarly, we can prove cos of beta minus gamma equals to cos of gamma minus alpha equals to also minus alpha. Hence proof. We go to the next problem now. This is very important problem I now discuss. Sin theta equals to k into sin theta plus phi, then prove that. So solution very interesting. Sin theta equals to k into sin theta plus phi. We rewrite that sin theta can be written as theta plus phi minus phi, k into sin of theta plus phi, or sin theta plus phi into cos phi minus cos of theta plus phi into sin phi equals to k into sin of theta plus phi. Now see, this is sin theta plus phi and this is sin theta plus phi. we just come to that sin theta plus phi in the same side, and we can write sin theta plus phi into cos phi minus k equals to, that will be transferred to the right side, cos theta plus phi into sin phi. Then we can write sin of theta plus phi by cos of theta plus phi equals to sin phi by cos phi minus k, or we can write tan of theta plus phi equals to sin phi by cos phi minus k. So here the most important part is that, yeah, so very easy and interesting problem. We go to the next problem now. This is the very and most conceptual problem is now. Find out the least and the greatest value of that. Solution is most conceptual. তার আগে আমি বলি, যদি আমার এই প্রবলেমসগুলো তোমাদের সাহায্য করে, আমি আবারও বলছি, তোমরা বন্ধুদেরকে জানিও আমার এই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করার জন্য, এবং তোমরা শেয়ার করো। এইটুকু রিকোয়েস্ট তোমাদের কাছে রাখছি আমি। চলো নেক্সট এবং লাস্ট প্রবলেম ইন দিস চ্যাপ্টার। 5 cos theta plus 12 sin theta plus 12. Let f theta equals to, it's like that. That is equals to, we can write 5 by root over 5 square plus 12 square into cos theta plus 12 by root over 5 square plus 12 square sin theta and plus 12. The extra is writing that root over 5 square plus 12 square. We just multiply root over 5 square plus 12 square. That will be 13. And we can write that cos alpha cos theta. If we take, let cos alpha equals to 5 by root over of 5 square plus 12 square, then sin alpha will be 1 minus cos square alpha, that root 1 minus 5 square by 5 square plus 12 square, and that will be root over 12 square by, that is 12 by root over 5 square plus 12 square. So we can write that sin alpha into sin theta plus 12. So that will, we can write that 13 into cos of theta minus alpha, or alpha minus theta, you can write that plus 12. Now see, the most very important conceptual portion is that cos of theta minus alpha is lying between -1 to 1. 13 into cos of theta minus alpha is lying between -13 to 13. And here only the plus 12. So we can 13 cos theta minus alpha plus 12, as 12 is adding both sides, that means 13 plus 12. That will get, this will be the f theta minus 1 to 25. Therefore, the least value of f theta equals to minus 1, and the greatest value of f theta equals to 25. We go to the next chapter in the next day. যদি তোমাদের ভালো লাগে, আমি আবার বলছি, তোমরা প্লিজ শেয়ার করো তোমাদের বন্ধুদেরকে, যাতে আমি আরো অনেক বেশি করে তোমাদের কাছ থেকে সমস্যা পেতে পারি। সমস্যাগুলো তোমরা কমেন্ট বক্সে লেখো, আমি অবশ্যই আমার ইউটিউবের মাধ্যমে তোমাদের কাছে পৌঁছে দেবো। থ্যাঙ্কস অল অফ ইউ।